This is a test of the AAC 168 grain OTM fired from a 18-inch Smith & Wesson M&P 10. The target was 112 meters away, or what's that, 122 yards. Shooting direction 259 degrees. The altitude at the range is 360 feet above sea level. The temp was 55 degrees, 25% relative humidity. Barometric pressure was 29.85, and the wind was the wild card, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sustained gusts of 10 miles an hour, and it was coming from all directions, from 20 degrees to almost directly from the target at 251 degrees. So the velocities were very consistent, average 2613 with a standard deviation of 10 and an extreme spread of only 34. However, this batch was the worst of the measured rounds as far as concentricity and whatnot, and the erratic groupings definitely showed here. So again, we had great velocities, average of 2615, SD of 10, and a spread of 32. This time, the results actually translated into better groups. These are the two 5-shot groups as measured in on-target TDS, with groups measuring respectively 2.141 MOA and 3.175 MOA. This is the composite of the two groups, with a 3.175 MOA max spread, with the interesting numbers being the group width having a max of just over 4 inches, but the group height was 1.5 inches. So I'd like to chalk that up to the varying wind, but that's a big spread given the wind that we had. It's probably more the idiot behind the gun, but more testing will definitely be required. Using the numbers from on-target TDS, as well as the track data from the lab radar, I was able to do some further number crunching. We ended up with a median ballistic coefficient of 0.406. This BC, combined with the rather impressive velocities, gave us a transonic speed of between 825 and 850 meters, which for 308 is pretty impressive. You're out over 900 yards at that point. Here you can see that our group size was, again, just over 4 inches at this range, with a circular error probable showing that 95% of our shots would land within 1.36 MOA. And this calculation shows that our group size at 100 yards would be just under 3 inches. So again, given the horizontal deviation we were seeing, need to rule out if wind was a factor or the idiot behind the gun, but more testing is definitely required. The vertical deviation definitely gives me hope. I'll also be curious to see if I can ever afford to buy more ammo, if lot consistency is any better, because certainly the deviation of bullet concentricity from 1,000th all the way up to 7,000ths is a bit of a concern. So we'll have to see what future lots look like, and how much of a difference that really makes under better weather conditions. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to doing some more testing of this AAC precision ammunition. See you guys next time.